Hello, my name is Shrivani Ramsani. Would like to talk about blockchain technology and its characteristics, components, types, how it will work, applications, advantages and disadvantages. What is blockchain? Blockchain is originally public ledger of all transactions or distributed database of records or digital events which is shared among participating parties. Blockchain is a group or collection of information. Blockchain technology is revolutionary protocol used for digital recording and storing information on multiple computers on multiple nodes. One of the most important elements of blockchain is so-called ledger, is similar to relational database. Blockchain is a list of encrypted digital record or transaction called block. Each block is then chained to the next block in a linear chronological order using a cryptographic signature. Blockchain is used to secure and distribute data in a new unique way. No change of information and tampering in blockchain will be allowed. It is a decentralized system which is secured and trusted distributed data system. The data is structured into blocks and each block contains transactions or bundle of transaction and transactions are attached to another block from chain like structure and details are immutable. Characteristics. Blockchain has characteristics like distributed ledger, decentralized transparency, integrity, anti tampering, anti forgery, high efficiency, low cost. Programmable features that increases flexibility and reliability and no risk of centralized database failure. Components. There are four components in a blockchain: previous hash, data, nonce, hash. Previous hash nothing but attribute consists of a hash value of its previous block. Data. Data consists of information about sender and receiver address and the amount and the multiple transactions in a single block. What is nonce? It is a random value used to check the result of hash value. Hash. What is hash? It is a digital signature of fingerprints. It is a fingerprint of current block where it takes an input value of previous hash and the data and the nonce produces the output value of the fixed length. Types of blockchain technology. There are three types of blockchain technology, that is public, private, consortium. Public. The public chains are have records which are noticeable to everybody on the web and can be confirmed by anybody, can add to a square exchange of blockchain. It helps an internet connected computers to validate transactions and achieve consensus. Public chain networks are open and could allow any users to join while ensuring anonymity of the participant. Private. This sort of blockchain permits just explicit individuals in an association to confirm and add exchange hinders. However, everybody on the web is for the most part permitted to see. It helps in identifying the membership and access privileges. It requires more identity and access controls. Depend upon the identity and confirming membership and access privileges allows only known organization into the system. Consortium. In, in this kind, just gathering of association can check and add to exchanges. However, the record can be open or limited to choose gatherings. Private and permission networks could have tighter controls for regulatory and compliance concerns. And the contrary, public and permissionless networks can empower you with better distribution and decentralization. How it will work? When someone requests a transaction, the transaction requests broadcast to peer network consisting of computers known as a nodes. After that, verification will be done. Verification. The transaction is verified by participants of the blockchain. Once it is verified, the transaction combined with other transaction to create a new block of data for the ledger. Once done, the new block is then added to existing blockchain in a way that is permanent and unalterable. And the transaction is done, complete. Applications. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, contracts like contract management, entertainment, healthcare, insurances, web of things, e-government, financial industry, real-time accounting. Good example of the blockchain technology is Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology includes not only cryptocurrency and many applications like all these things: entertainment, healthcare, insurance. It is used to secure and distribute in a new and distinct way. Blockchain successfully applied to both financial and non-financial world application and helped unmarked over the years. To talk about the Bitcoin, it is a decentralized cryptocurrency or digital money. It was invented as a reward for the miners who mine blockchains are validated. Transactions are rewarded by this Bitcoin. Bitcoin is invented by Satoshi Nakamoto. Types of attacks of hackers. Before speaking about attacks, is blockchain really secure? Blockchain technology point out towards cryptocurrency, immutability, and decentralization with the cryptographic security, and the assurance that no one can modify data without the knowledge of the participants. Blockchain definitely seems secure, and without doubt, blockchain can give you tamper-proof account of transaction. However, this does not mean that blockchain is not vulnerable to cyber attacks and security. People with malicious intent could exploit the blockchain security vulnerabilities. Their advantage: many such examples of blockchain attack have made news from time to time. And hackers threaten blockchain in a ways that four types of attacks: phishing attacks, routing attacks, cyber attacks, and 51% attacks. Phishing attacks are scamming to obtain users' credential and it looks like they are coming from the legitimate source. In routing attacks, blockchain rely on large amount of data transfers and hackers disturb the data as it's transferring to internet service providers. In cyber attacks, cyber hackers create and flood system. In 51% attacks, mining requires a vast amount of computing power, mostly in the public blockchain. In these attacks, private blockchains are secure. Blockchain endpoint vulnerabilities, vendor risks, transparency, transaction privacy, these things also we should consider while using blockchain technology. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: data integrity, immutability, security, high availability, accessibility, reliability, decentralization, transparency, automation, processing time. Disadvantages: cost issues, data malleability issues, latency issues, integration concerns, immaturity technology. Blockchain is not appropriate for massive transaction due to complex verification process. Thank you.